I'm sitting in a 2017 Jeep Wrangler with no keys. We're going to use a OEM remote key. You can see remote doesn't work. We're going to stick the key in the ignition, turn on. You can see the security light on the bottom right is flashing, so it's not programmed. So let's get started. Go to Jeep, Wrangler, pin extraction, 17, pin can 2, ignition's on, read pin code, 2911, we'll back out, key coding, 2017, immobilizer can 2, ignition's already on, program keys, the pin is stored from the last read, press enter. The key out. 3 keys programmed. A little bit of a delay on that. And we are done. Let's go ahead and get this key out. Here's our buttons. Works just fine.